Namaskar to one and all present here. This is Sanjana Standard 9 standing in front of you all. It is our activity class. Today our class 9C has organized a debate on the topic what is the better for learning, teacher or internet. So this team is support of teachers and this team is support of internet. Now team leader of both team will start their debate. So let's start from internet side. Thank you.
Namaskar to one and all present here. It's me Tanushka of Standard 9 standing in for you to say some points regarding internet. In my opinion, internet is better for learning because it is more efficient and cheap. It saves our time. In the modern era of 21st century, students prefer online coachings. It helps us to revise, learn and repeat concepts easily and in an effective and interesting way. Students can easily ask their doubt and see the repeat telecast of lectures. There is no any type of discrimination in online coachings among students. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Tanu from Standard 9 and today I am here to say some points in the favor of teacher. So I think that teacher is better for learning as teacher can also understand children's psychology but internet cannot understand, and sometimes many teachers also refuse the fees of students but internet never refuse the fees of students, and students can also learn better from teachers and they can also clear their doubt better as compared to internet. So I think that teacher is better for learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaskar to one and all present here. It's me Preeti Kumari of 9C standing in for you to telling you some points regarding internet. In my point of view, internet is best for learning because it makes our study very easily. We can search any topic related to education on the internet. We can gather information within a second and right from our home. A student use internet in variety of purpose like online lecture, research, latest information. Thank you.
Namaskar to one and all present here. This is Arushi Raj from Standard 9 standing in for you all to say some points in the favor of teacher. According to me, teacher is better for learning as teacher can interact more with their students while internet can't. Teacher can provide personal guidance and support to the students while internet can't. Teacher can give their personal experience of life to the students but internet can't do this. This way, teacher is better for learning. That's all. Thank you.
Namaskar to one and all present here. This is Ankita Kumari of Standard 9C present here to say some points regarding internet. In my point of view, internet is better as it is easily accessible regardless of geographical location and we can customize the pace of video as per as our demand. We can accelerate it or de-accelerate it as per as our demand. Online resources also reduce the financial burden on parents as most of the time it is free of cost. That's all. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone, this is Sakshi Chaudhary of class 9C. Today I am going to tell some points in the favor of teacher. According to me, teacher is better for learning as teacher can understand our feelings very well but internet can't. Teachers can help us whether we are in joy or in sorrow. That's all. Thank you.
Namaskar to one and all present here. It's me Siddhi of 9C standing in for you to say some points regarding internet. In my point of view, internet is better for learning because in the internet facilities online education, virtual classrooms, making it easier for people to learn. In the internet provides a lot of information, research and stay updated on various topics. That's all. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone, it's me Dipalji of 9C. Today I am standing in for you to say some point regarding teacher. In my point of view, teacher is better for learning because internet may give me information but it cannot teach them morality or a clear dimension of a life. Internet cannot find out our talent where teacher can find out our talent. A children never save his life and a future without a teacher. That's all. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone, this is Sia Singh from Standard 9C. Today I am standing in for you to say some points regarding internet. In my point of view, internet is better for learning because internet is a vast and diverse source of information and resources that can be accessed from anywhere and anytime. Internet can enable the students to develop their self-directed learning skills as they can search and explore their topics at their own pace and time. Internet can also allow students to... That's all. Thank you.
Namaskar to one and all present here. I am Tanisha Shah of Standard 9C standing in for you to say some point regarding teacher. In my point of view, teacher is better for learning because they provide us critical thinking, emotional support and the interaction between teachers and students. They also encourage students from creating knowledgeable ideas as extra. That's all. Thank you.
Namaskar to one and all present here. It's me, Soumya Mishra of 9C, standing in for you to say some points regarding internet. In my point of view, internet is better for learning because internet available 24 hours into 7 days and students can access it from anywhere. But teachers are only available during class time and students do not ask any question without waiting for a class time. Students can find any answer in very less time in internet, but students do not find any answer without waiting for a class time. That's all.
Namaskar to one and all present here. It's me Lakshmi of 9C standing in for you to say some points regarding teacher. In my point of view, teacher is better for learning because teacher focus on each student individually and make sure they understand the concept easily. Internet is a feature but teacher create a future. Internet to provide only knowledge but teacher provide lifelong knowledge. Teacher have feelings. They are our second parents. That's all. Thank you.
Namaskar to one and all present here. It's me Gomal Singh of Standard 9C standing in for you to say some points regarding teacher. In my point of view, teacher is better for learning because teacher create a structured environment where students encouraged to stay focused, reduce distraction and improving learning outcomes. That's all. Thank you.
Namaskar to one and all present here. It's me Muskan from Standard 9 standing in for you to say some points regarding teachers. In my point of view, teacher is better for learning as teachers are very important in our life. They help us to mold from a very young age. They have a huge impact on our life. They inspire our dream and push up the human potential. That's all. So teachers aren't available everywhere, but internet are available with us everywhere 24/7, even at home. But teachers only available in their working hours in school or tuitions.
So this is known as time management.
And what will you do if you will get a doubt?
We will ask our teachers.
But suppose if your exam is on next day, then what will you do?
So what did you do your whole year?
Suppose that you are learning a new thing. You are learning a new concept to get more marks.
Yeah.
Okay, then tomorrow we will go to school and then ask.
But tomorrow will be your exam. Then what
I
will you
know
do?
there is exam, but not just I go and then I sit in exam hall or then.
But suppose
There is
teacher-
some periods are left. I think in that type of case you will use internet because there is a less time. How can you think?
If your phone has no recharge, then what will you do?
You will do recharge and what will you do?
If you have no money for recharge, then
How is this possible? Which of the people have now Wi-Fi connection in their homes? If they don't do recharge, they have Wi-Fi, and it is not that they have mobile and they haven't done the recharge.
but only few persons home has Wi-Fi, not in everyone's home.
Then why you have taken the phone? If the person had taken the phone, of course they had done the recharge. It is not a topic that. But if we got a doubt, of course we are going to the internet, and there's no need of recharge.
And if you are not able to pay the fees of recharge, then how will you pay the fees of school or teacher?
If you have no money to pay in the school, then sometimes schools also refuse the fees of the students. But internet never refuse the fees of students.
How the fees of schooling is in 1,000, but you just have to pay 100 or 200 rupees as a recharge.
Yeah.
No. Day
But
by day.
internet also distract us.
Yeah.
It is dependent on the determination of the student.
Yes, a student can also get distracted in this classroom.
It also reduces our critical thinking or creativity skills. And there is no guarantee that Google will tell the correct answer only.
Then there is also not a guarantee that the teachers will not going to tell
Teachers have experience of their own life and
Teachers
teachers
will
don't
teach us.
Teacher will help you in every aspect of your life by giving his own experiences.
But always they are not right. And you are a student, you don't need experience. You need the answer of your question. You need the clarity of your concept.
But in internet, many fake news are uploads.
Yeah, what did you say?
In internet, many fake news are uploads.
It's not about news.
Listen, you said
In that case, you can use the trusted website.
do you know what? By searching from internet, there will be different websites and that will cause confusion in
topic, but if you will search on internet, it will give you vast knowledge about that topic.
Do you think searching from internet and copywriting the answer is critical thinking?
See, if you tell them that it confuse students, then how are they going to copy just the thing they don't understand? Of course, they are going to search or visit different sites.
But internet reduces our critical thinking. And
Many of these students are unable to understand anything from internet, but teacher can also understand children's psychology. And according to that psychology, teacher teach their students. But in internet there is nothing.
But so why students have insecurities and why they are afraid to ask teachers a question? They get afraid if they got scolded, but it doesn't happen in internet.
That is what teachers do. They understand the student psychology and they understand that whether the teacher is whether the student is having difficulty or not. If the student is having, then they go and encourage him.
Teacher is also a human. How much things he can do in a 40 minutes of class? He will ask every student a question, or he will make student understand the topic. But if you want to get the answers, or if you want to know about the concept, you can go to the internet. You can see the explanations of the topic.
The student will be not social due to internet.
Yeah, they can talk. They can interact with people online, but they cannot interact with people offline.
They can also. Are you done?
Yeah.
They can also interact with people on online classes.
But not physically. And
To interact with people, there is no need to be physical.
Do you know what those
I think this is my most invalid.
Let me say, Ankita.
Say.
Those students who interact online are unable to interact with people in a crowd or if they are in public place.
Okay, so in public place, aren't they going to distract? If I'm sitting in a classroom, there are lots of students. There's many disturbing elements are in the class. And in online education, you are studying in your own room. There is no one who can disturb you. You can be focused in your class.
That's not the thing. When you are studying in your class with other students, if you will got any difficulty and if the teacher is not present there, you can ask to your friends even. But when you are studying online and if you have difficulty, whom will you ask?
Internet. I'm going to ask internet. And what if your friends also don't know about the topic? Then what will you do?
We will ask our teachers. There are teachers.
As you given the situation, if teachers is not present in the class and you will ask your friends, but your friends also don't know the topic.
Then both of them will ask their teachers.
And students are also not able to discover any new thing. They are just going to Google and just search their any question.
Of course, sir.
They are not discovering any new thing, and they are also not using their critical thinking. It is reducing their critical thinking.
You had just stuck in one topic of critical thinking that I have. You already give the so many answers, but you are, I guess, just pushing the question or my explanation.
Okay, as per 2023 survey, there is only 71% who use smartphones and those 29% who use keypad phone or they have not smartphone. How they get education? I think it's not sure that those 29% are students. They can be an old person who don't need education.
No, there is also.
Let me say, and as you said, those 29% people have Nokia phone or keypad phone, and I think nowadays online teachers are also available on the keypad phone. You can also study with online teacher in keypad phone. Nowadays there are a lot of facilities.
You are absolutely wrong because there is no availability of teachers in keypad phones.
Do you example Jio? You can Jio.
I can take example of Samsung, which does not have internet.
Okay, then you
Samsung don't have internet. What are you saying?
Samsung.
Then we will go to buy Samsung smartphone. If they don't have money to buy a smartphone, then they also don't have money to pay for it.
I have told already that schools also refuse fees of many of them.
How many times they will refuse the fee for 1 year or 2 years? And what are
Birds are also affected by EMR, electromagnetic radiation.
Okay, I agree with you that birds are affected by EMR. It is a important and problem nowadays. But governments are developed. Scientists are trying and they are set up bird turbines and power cells around the tower of the so that it does not affect the birds collision from the tower so they don't get killed.
But species of birds are decreasing day by day.
It is not
Only because of internet.
It is not only done by internet. There are also human beings who are.
But most of the reasons are only this phone and EMR.
Online examinations are also a part of internet learning, right? But while online examinations, students what do? They just go and web search and copyright the answer. They don't use their own
Mind.
What?
Mind.
They don't use their own mind.
I don't have a vast knowledge about online quizzes or online, but there are also some specific places where quizzes or exams are taken online in specific places where the teachers are available.
But what about ancient time?
Okay, I'll say invigilator. So there is then it is also dependent on the student determination. If they don't want to study and they just want to copy, then it is their problem, not the problem of internet.
But most of the students do this. And about those facilities, in our normal schooling time, not these facilities are given to every student of a
So
school.
you can't say that student can't copy in offline examinations also.
The chances are low.
Very less chances there.
Very less chances, Anushka, because invigilator already check the student that if he has any cheats or not. If he is cheating, there will be teachers there who will count him and scold him, or even they can punish him. But who will punish you in online examinations if you will do any cheating?
There are also some features made by if the exams are important, then the features get more strict. And you can't cut from the website you are giving the examination, or you can't take any screenshot of that.
But I have told you already that this facility is not given to every students in schooling time.
And suppose that if a student want to learn something, they can go to metropolitan city to learn.
Yeah. They can go metropolitan cities to learn.
And they can learn this from the internet. So I am saying they can learn from internet at their own place, but to give exam, they can go to metropolitan city.
Then why there are universities such as DIU, BHU, and why students go to places such as Kota?
The places we go to there are quite expensive. If they are
But
quite
what about ancient times? How
Do
you
you
are
know
studying?
Do you know in ancient time teachers used to do a lot of discrimination.
Yeah.
Yes.
How can you say that?
Let me give you Dronacharya did discrimination with Eklavya and Karna also. If you go to mythology then. But I know
So dear friends, we have gone through the statement and logic of both the team. Both are right in their place. I will say that teachers versus internet, both are equally important in our life. So I hope you will like this video. Thank you. That's for the day. Thank you all.